Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best electric scooters for adults of 2026. The reliable, powerful rides that make commuting, errands, and weekend adventures faster, greener, and more fun. Whether you're zipping through city traffic, tackling hills on your daily route, needing long-range reliability for work, or seeking portable convenience without sacrificing performance, these adult electric scooters stand out for speed, battery life, build quality, safety features, and value. We'll cover key specs like motor power, top speed, real-world range, suspension, brakes, weight capacity, and user experiences to help you choose the perfect one. Check the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's roll. The Segway GT3 scooters for adults delivers premium performance and cutting-edge tech for riders wanting a feature-packed super scooter. This high-end model features powerful motors, up to 1200 W nominal with peaks over 2400 W in variants, reaching thrilling top speeds around 30 to 50 miles per hour depending on the Pro version, with strong acceleration, 0 to 30 miles per hour in seconds, and excellent hill climbing ability. It includes advanced stability systems like SegRide for precise handling, hydraulic suspension for smooth rides over bumps, tubeless tires for puncture resistance, IPX5 and 6 water resistance, bright TFT display, app integration with Apple Find My, turn signals, and robust safety features like disc brakes. Users rave about the stable, confident ride even at high speeds, premium build quality, and smart extras like autonomous locking. It's heavier, around 80 to 90 pounds, and pricier, better suited for enthusiasts than casual commuters, but for ultimate power, innovation, and luxury feel in 2026, Segway GT3 sets a high bar. Next, the InMotion Climber 750W dual-motor electric scooter excels as a compact yet beastly hill conqueror for urban riders facing inclines. With dual 750W motors, 1500W combined peak, it effortlessly tackles up to 36% grades even with heavier loads, up to 286 pounds, hitting speeds around 23 to 24 miles per hour and offering a solid 35-mile real-world range. The 10-inch pneumatic tires with thick inner tubes provide comfort and puncture resistance, while IP56 waterproofing handles wet conditions reliably. It includes dual electronic brakes plus rear disc for quick stops, powerful headlight, and a foldable design at about 47 pounds for portability. Reviewers praise the torque on steep hills, smooth acceleration, and value as a lightweight dual-motor option that outperforms many singles. Minor notes include a learning curve for the power delivery, but for hilly commutes, durability, and balanced performance without bulk, InMotion Climber is a standout mid-range powerhouse. The Fantomgo electric scooter for adults offers affordable, practical commuting with fun extras for casual riders. This foldable model typically features a 350-450W brushless motor, reaching 15 to 15.5 miles per hour with up to 12 to 20 miles of range depending on conditions. It includes a comfortable seat option, rear carry basket for groceries or gear, LED lights, dual brakes, and a lightweight design, around 30 to 40 pounds, for easy storage and portability. The simple controls suit beginners or short trips, with app features like electronic lock and riding stats on some variants. Users love the value, versatility for errands or leisure, and seated comfort that makes it feel like a mini moped. It's not for high speeds or extreme hills and range drops with heavier use, but for budget-friendly, everyday adult riding with convenience and style, Fantomgo delivers approachable fun. The Gautrax electric scooter for adults provides dependable, budget-friendly reliability for daily commuters. Popular models like the G4 feature a 300-500W motor, top speeds of 15 to 20 miles per hour, and ranges up to 25 miles, with solid August 5th, 10-inch pneumatic tires for smooth city rides. It includes front/rear brakes, LED lights, foldable frame for portability, around 30 to 40 pounds, and sturdy build supporting up to 220 to 265 pounds. Gautrax shines in affordability, easy assembly, and consistent performance for errands or short commutes, with many praising the value and smooth handling. It lacks advanced suspension or ultra-long range compared to premiums, but for practical, no-fuss adult use on flat to moderate terrain, Gautrax offers unbeatable accessibility and reliability. Finally, the Segway 9Bot Max scooter for adults claims the top spot as the ultimate all-rounder for most riders. This legendary commuter boasts a 350-1000W motor, depending on G2/G3 variants, top speeds of 20 to 22 miles per hour, and exceptional real-world ranges of 30-40+ miles on a charge. It features self-healing pneumatic tires for puncture resistance, dual brakes, drum plus regenerative. Suspension in newer models, bright lights, app connectivity for tracking/locking, and durable construction supporting up to 220 to 265 pounds. Users consistently call it the most reliable, comfortable, and feature-rich option, with smooth rides, strong hill performance, and proven longevity. It's heavier, around 40 to 50 pounds, for portability, but for unmatched balance of range, comfort, safety, and brand trust in 2026, Segway 9Bot Max remains the gold standard. That wraps up our top 5 best electric scooters for adults of 2026. From the high-performance Segway GT3 scooters for adults, hill-crushing in-motion climber 750W dual-motor electric scooter, practical Fantomago electric scooter for adults, dependable Gautrax electric scooter for adults, to the legendary Segway 9Bot Max scooter for adults. There's a perfect ride for every commute, terrain, and budget. Which one will power your next adventure? Comment below. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for more mobility reviews, and check the description for deals. Thanks for watching.